Hi, my name is Sangeeta Bose Tagore Anand, and I'm going to be speaking to you about online conduct. Now you might ask me, why should you care? Because it is your community. Everything that you say or do reflects on you. So let's talk about conduct. When you are part of any online community, you need to follow the rules, okay? Because online is no different from offline. A screen doesn't make it any less real. So just showing up isn't enough. When you're part of any community, you need to follow the rules. These are called netiquette. Respect is key. How do you show this? This is what I call the 5 A's. The first is attire and appearance. You must always be presentable and neat. However, what is in front of the camera is as important as what is behind. So your second, which is the ambience or the surrounding. A lot of times we see that people, when they are speaking, are very presentable themselves. But behind, if you look around, your attention gets snagged by dirty laundry, unmade bed, and many such things. So you have to be very, very mindful that what is behind in the camera is as presentable as you are. The third is your attitude. So there are two aspects to this. One is the verbal and the other is the non-verbal. When you are a participant, your mic should be off and your camera should be on. It is extremely rude to have your camera off and your mic off. When we do workshops, for us, it is extremely rude to not be able to see the faces. It's like inviting somebody home and then slamming the door on their faces. However, if you are a presenter, you must engage. Your verbality and your tonality have to go hand in hand. How you express your opinions, how careful you are, how politically, socially correct you are is as important as the content that you're presenting. Then you have awareness. You have to be aware of the platform rules, the platform conduct, or the platform situations that they have clarified for you. When you're presenting, you must always cite your sources. Give credit where it is due. And if you're presenting your own creation or your own creative content, own what you use. The relevance and context is again extremely important. So while I've spoken a lot about what you're supposed to do, the other thing also works about how careful should you be. And that's the last A, which is the alert. When you are collaborating with somebody, be very careful about your own credibility. Do not endorse, do not do anything which puts you in a tough spot or reduces or diminishes your credibility. Do not accept online dares because this is something which will affect you badly later on. Remember, your identity is your credibility. Like I said, the reverse works for you as well, right? So what you're supposed to do, the same is true of the other people. So what is the expectation that you should have? When you apply for jobs or internships, as you will be soon, or you might be already in the process of doing, a lot of people do not bother replying. Now, this is something that you should make note for the future. If you're reapplying or if you're engaging with them or if you're approaching them in the future, remember, this is how they treat their people. They do not think that you're worthy of respect. They do not think that they owe you an endorsement or any kind of response. It reflects badly on the company, no matter how powerful or big they are. It is all about netiquette. It is all about conduct. So just like yours, their conduct is also very important. So remember, the 3 most important things for netiquette: respect, privacy, safety. None of this should ever be compromised. Not for you, not for the platform that you're representing. Now, your conduct shapes your community, so you have to respect the platform, especially as you're part of SECO, because it'll give you so many opportunities and create a community that you can be a part of. Remember, it is about you.